Sayang no, ang laki-laki niya. Alright, so alisin mo na yan. Sayang no.
Dako ba kayo? Sayang nga dito. Bilang yung dako. Bilang kayo dako.
Yun lang namin siya ipopropagate ulit from that time that. So yung reason why we don't want to let this type of leaf stay kasi baka. Hi butterfly, give that to Papa.
I'm magic.
Your magic? Hey guys, welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. For today's vlog, we have here our narrow tiger tooth or the Serratum, Williams, whatever you call it. And we have it here. We will be propagating this one. Actually, we were really planning to let it trail, but the current situation is not letting us do it. So ayan, ito-chop-chop namin siya today. So if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe. Tap the notification bell so you'll be notified pag may bago kaming video. And if you are ready, let's begin! This is like a year old na guys, and nung inalis namin siya dun sa wall, kumakapit talaga siya because of that typhoon Odette na nabagsak talaga yung mangga sa kanya. Yan yung nangyari, we really had to transfer it. It used to have a pole, yung kahoy lang guys, yung simple na kahoy lang. Ngayon, dahil medyo natagalan bago namin siya na-propagate, nabali po siya. Nahihirapan talaga siguro siya kasi medyo mahaba na siya and hindi maayos yung pagkakasandal niya. That's why it's really about time to cut it. And alam nyo ba na super bilis niyang magkaroon ng mga bagong shoots. This is really one of our fastest growing philodendrons given na green yung kulay ng dahon niya. So mabilis naman talagang tumubo at dumami yung mga green yung dahon guys compared to those colored foliages and the darker ones. Marami na kaming ipamigay na mga babies nito, but yung naiwan talaga sa amin, hindi namin pinlanong i-propagate. Pero ngayon, no choice tayo. Ever since we started vlogging, this is our second video, and that is like more than a year ago. Pero ngayon lang namin siya ipopropagate ulit from that time that we did it. So, that's a trivia. More than a year na talaga to guys. How many cuttings are you planning?
At may daan balik naman
Oo.
Tawan lang.
Isa lang. So, parang dalawa yung maiiwan ngayon. Okay, so we will be having two.
Tapos nodal.
We will be leaving a middle cut and then meron tayong top cut. Tapos, eto, dahil nabali naman siya, and wala tayong makikitang problema sa bali niya. Talagang accidentally nabali. Hindi naman mukhang may sakit. Etong iba guys, nabali talaga to nung time na parang nadaganan siya ng mangga. Kasi, malapit siya dun sa pinagtumbahan ng mangga. Syempre, merong mga sanga pa din. I think we will just remove those leaves na medyo tagilid na. Kasi, of course, guys, we don't want to prolong the suffering. So, uproot niya yan after more than a year. Oh my God, look. Ganun na pala kagrabe yung root niya sa ilalim. Syempre, oh, hindi pala malaki yung butas niya. So, isipin nyo, our second philodendron na video, this is how it looks like right now. We just bought this for 500 pesos guys sa kasagsagan ng pagsikat ng mga philodendrons when everyone was really raving for philodendrons. Doon namin siya nabili. Really felt lucky for getting one na matured na guys. So we were able to propagate it and had a lot of shoots after that. Pero yung mga shoots guys na ipamigay na namin, so meron nang nasa kapatid ko tapos nag-anak-anak na din. It's really what's good about this narrow tiger tooth or that Serratum, Williams, whatever you call it. Depende sa inyo yon. So, maraming mga nagko-correct, pero doon kami sa nakasanayan namin. We're calling it Williams, guys. So, yun yung kinaganda dito kasi mabilis siyang magkaroon ng baby, mabilis siyang tumubo. And perfect siya sa mga beginners pa lang. You are someone who is thinking of collecting philodendrons. Ngayon mo palang naisipang mag-collect, go and get this one. Kasi hindi ka lugi dito, hindi naman siya alagain, tapos mabilis pang tumubo. Anyway guys, part of moving on, since hindi pa kami nakakabili ng additional net, ayan, makikita nyo, magko-comment kayo, bakit may mga sako dyan? So, temporarily, we are placing those sacks na talagang hiniwa para at least makover. Once lumipat na yung sun dito, mga after lunch, pag lumipat na yung sun dyan, hindi gaanong maiinitan itong mga plants na nandito. Even this area, guys, this has a bigger cover kasi nga sobrang init dito mamaya. Look at the green dragon, the lemon lime down there. So, yun yung nangyari sa kanila after bagyong Odette. Temporarily, guys, walang mga bagong pots. So, we will be recycling the old pot. Yung ilalagay namin dito is yung top cut. Tapos, yung mother plant, ililipat namin. Temporarily, balde lang muna. So, ngayong mga panahon na to, na after bagyo, when everyone is still trying to move on, hindi muna priorities ang pots, guys. But still, since we love our plants, ayun, hahanapan pa din ng paraan na maayos yung paglalagyan sa kanila. Since medyo hindi talaga kasya siya, dyan, kunin natin yung ibang soil. Medyo nag-harden na. Kasi nga, dati-dati pa to, guys. I even forgot what type of potting media we used for this. Pero since marami ng pagbabago, alisin natin yan. And mostly roots na yung nagtitake up ng space inside the pot. So, madami na kasi siyang roots and paikot pa siyang tumubo.
Tumigas na yung mga lupa.
Oh, yeah. There is something that is about to come out. So, palalabasin na muna yan before we will propagate it. Medyo matigas, nahihirapan na siya. Mahirap na kasi parang nagkabato-bato na yung lupa. Alam nyo naman. So, alam nyo naman, planting with minimal knowledge lang to. Kasi, we were just following what they told us na you can use that soil. Hindi naman gaanong maarte. So, that's what we used for this. Kaya ngayon, ang ending, parang ang daming bato-bato dyan. We'll keep on focusing on this one. Hindi kami matatapos dito, malulubat lang. So, we'll move on to the top cut. We'll deal with that later. So guys, alam nyo ba, kasama na to sa pagkabili namin. 500, tapos with that pot. During that time, sobrang mahal nung pots, guys. Kasi nagkakaubusan ng pots when everyone was really going crazy about collecting plants, starting their own garden. Nagkakaubusan ng pot. So, ayun. During the start of the lockdown yata yun.
Story. Silom yung tawag.
Oo, binenta to. Na silom yung tawag sa kanya. And we were really excited. Kasi kilala ko parang hindi silom yan. Tapos sobrang mura. Kaya, ayun. Akala niya silom. But the real silom is here. Sobrang kawawa lang din, guys. Kasi there are leaves na namatay na. Hindi kinaya kasi sobrang init. Katabi kasi sila ng pinaglalagyan. And they were really there before, doon sa cardboard, malapit to sa Jose Bono. Doon sila, sobrang lamig doon kasi meron ng net, tapos meron pang mangga. They weren't really that exposed to the sunlight. So, nung nailabas sila dito sa open area, nako, hindi sanay sa init, gulat na gulat. Even the William, makikita nyo merong sunog sa dahon. When I saw this earlier, akala ko dalawa lang yung butas. Meron palang 4. Pero, hindi lang ma-identify dahil ang dami na ng mga soil na tumikit sa kanya. So, parang konti na lang yung holes. This is really something that I don't like about concrete pots. You cannot just add more holes on it. Siya madaling ada ng holes, guys, if you want a good drainage for your plants. That's why we go for plastic pots. And mas mabilis silang i-transfer din, lalo na kapag maulan, lalo na kapag gusto mong ilagay sa loob ng bahay. Before, walang coconut fiber yata. Now, meron na tayong coconut fiber sa bottom of the pot. Nako, if makikita nyo yung video nito before, hindi ko na din maalala. Marami kayong time, pwede nyo i-check, guys. Basta pangalawang video yon since we started our Plantzilla journey. Hindi pa yata Plantzilla yung pangalan namin. Team Ranico pa. Team Ranico Vlogs yung pangalan ng channel namin. Long before we transitioned into Plantzilla BHL. Really planning about doing family vlogs, pero we ended up purely on gardening. So that's why we turned into Plantzilla. So, gagawa siya ng top cut. Sobrang laki na ng body niya. Ayan, makikita mo talaga na super mature na siya. Makikita nyo, one-sided lang yung tubo ng roots, guys. Kasi nga, nakasandal siya. So, mostly, the roots came out dun sa area na malapit sa pole. Roots, marunong kasi silang mag-understand, no? Kung saan sila makakakuha ng maayos na nutrients. So, we now have our top cut. So, konti lang yung dahon niya, pero malalaki na talaga kasi medyo old na nga siya. Oh, alright. So, alisin mo na yan. Sayang, no?
Dako ba kayo? Sayang nga, diba? Bilang yung dako naman.
We'll be removing this leaf, guys, sadly. Kasi, medyo, ano na siya dito, merong bali dito sa gilid. So, yung reason why we don't want to let this type of leaf stay, kasi baka dyan magsimula yung rotting. We don't want that. Alisin na lang siya habang maaga pa. And hope for more leaves to come. Malaki na sana siya because malalaki na talaga yung leaves nitong William na to. So, ayan. Inalis niya na. Ayan, kasi merong mga itim-itim dyan. So, baka pagsimulan ng kung ano. Be cleaning it. And then, lagyan ng cinnamon powder.
Part lang sa stock. Hindi part ng katawan.
Okay. So, sa patio lang pala yun. Sayang, no? Ang laki-laki niya. I'll just place it inside. Hahanap ako ng pot na paglalagyan ng water. Tapos, gawin siyang ornamental plant. Ornamental plant. Ornamental leaf sa loob ng bahay. May pagka juicy. Lalagyan ng cinnamon powder yan. Oo, before, nung pinutol namin siya, isang node lang, as in walang dahon, parang with 2 roots lang, tapos tumubo pa din, guys, and nagkaroon ng mga shoots. Now, nakikita ko yung sa sister ko, ang laki-laki na. They really started out as nodes lang, without any leaf. Our potting media doesn't have soil in it na. So, wala kaming mailalagay na Meliona fiber ngayon kasi basang-basa yung mga fibers namin dito. Wala kaming napatuyo. Ito, pag naka-recover na, ito, this one. This is the newest leaf, guys. Tatayo lang din yan. Yung ano kasi nila, yung placement ng dahon, magdedepende din yun where you are putting them. And also, dun sa amount of sunlight that they receive. Alright. So, madali lang to, guys. And alam ko naman marami sa inyo, especially for those of you who have been with us for quite some time, alam nyo na kung paano namin tinatanim yung mga philodendrons namin. So, definitely alam nyo na din kung paano yan gawin. Ito yung itsura niya ngayon. Parang ganito din yung itsura niya nung nakuha namin. Konti lang yung dahon, tapos nabali din, tapos konti lang din yung soil na meron siya. So, parang nostalgic. Alright guys, it took us a while because we were looking for a pot that we can use for our second cut, and now we found one. So, ito nga pala yung first. I have shown this to you earlier. So, soon pag naka-recover na, it's gonna display its leaves in a nicer way na compared to how it is looking like right now, na medyo malayo sa isa't isa and you don't know where they are going. Since we decided to propagate it accidentally, dahil nga nabali siya, so, hindi namin napaghandaan and less priority din yung mga pots ngayong mga panahong to. Parang mas iniisip ko na mag-add ng net kasi nga nakaka-stress na naiinitan sila. Parang ayokong umulan palagi pero sometimes I'm thankful na umaambon kasi nga kawawa din yung plants. Sobrang init dito sa area na to during lunchtime and a few hours after that. Of course guys, our potting media includes acacia leaves. Malapit na bang maubos?
Malapit na.
Oh, malapit nang maubos yung acacia leaves namin. Meron pa kayang acacia leaves? Baka naman inubos ni Odette yung mga dahon. Wala naman akong narinig ng mga acacia na nabali. So, check na lang din namin.
Masyadong madami yung soil, yung mix na ilalagay para Pag lumabas na yung shoots, magkikita na rin agad.
And kukunin na yung mga dahon dito na sinasabi ko kanina. Mga bali lang din naman sila. So, why prolong the agony? Bali na yan, guys. Pag nabali na kasi yung mga petiole, nasira na yan yung dahon, there's no way to restore it. Umasa na lang kayo sa mga bagong lalabas. Para yung nutrients na ititake niya, doon na lang mapunta sa mga bagong labas. And of course, to the shoots that are about to come out pa. Kasi sayang lang din naman. Tapos, hindi naman sila mababalik sa dati. After all the pruning, we only have 2 leaves left para sa mother plant, guys. And siya na yung gagawa ng pagkain for the entire mother plant. Kasi inalis na yung mga nabali na dahon. So, ayan, we are almost done with this propagation video that we did today. We have mother plant and 2 cuts out of that one big William that we used to have, which is more than a year old na dito sa amin. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like it and please click the subscribe button and tap the bell icon beside it para ma-notify kayo whenever we upload new videos. Maraming salamat po for those who are praying for the recovery of Bohol and sa mga nagwi-wish na makarecover na din kami. We are on our road to recovery, guys. Thank you so much, and this has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. Maraming salamat po sa support. See you on the next one. Bye!